I'm delighted that your patient is going to recover, doctor. You gambled, he won. Not all your patients are so lucky. But you scare me, Dr. Beck. You jeopardize your patients' lives and justify it in the name of research. You and I both know that genuine research takes time. Sometimes a long, hard time to get things in order for your patients' lives. Detailed work in order to get any results. But not you, Dr. Olivia Burke. You cut right through living tissue. You put research ahead of your patients' lives. And as far as I'm concerned, that's a violation of our most sacred trust. I'm sure your work will be hailed as a stunning breakthrough. Enjoy your laurels, doctor. I'm not sure that I could.